Hello, sir. What would you like to order?
Could you please tell me the best dishes in this restaurant?
Sure, sir. You could try out our chicken risotto, bruschetta with pesto, passion fruit iced tea, and watermelon mojito. All of these are recommended by the restaurant.
Perfect. I would like to order everything that you just mentioned.
That sounds good. Would you also like to try our range of dips with the bruschetta, sir?
Oh yes. What dips are offered by the restaurant?
We have the salsa dip, garlic mayo dip, herb dip, cheesy dip, or ketchup if you would want that as an option too.
Okay. I will have garlic mayo dip and herb dip.
All right. Anything else, sir?
No, thank you. That'll be all. Oh my God, nothing tastes good apart from the dips and the drinks. The food is stale.
Oh, no, sir. How is that possible?
I would like to speak to the restaurant manager. Please call him.
Okay, sir. I will call him right away.
Is there a problem, sir?
Yes, I had ordered the recommended dishes from the restaurant, and all I got is stale food. No doubt that the drinks and dips are good, but the food is stale. The bread is bad, the chicken is not cooked properly, and it feels as if the risotto was just heated up and served.
I am sorry for the inconvenience you faced, sir.
I expected it to be much better.
I understand, sir. I will look at it that the dishes are served to you once again, and that they are freshly made. We are really sorry for the inconvenience, sir. The drinks will be on us, sir. Please take a seat.
All right.
Here is your food, sir.
Oh, it tastes good now, something that I haven't tasted earlier.
Thank you so much, sir, and we are really sorry for the inconvenience you had to face.
It's all right.
Please enjoy your meal, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon. I have been waiting for 10 minutes. I am really hungry.
Oh, I am sorry, sir. Good afternoon and welcome to Good Food Restaurant.
Yeah, a friend recommended coming here. He said you serve excellent dishes.
And he's right, sir. Although this is a new restaurant, we are always recommended.
Yeah, okay. Can I see a menu, please? I don't know what to order.
Sure. Here you are, sir. Can I recommend you today's special? It is delicious.
Okay, what is today's special? It's my first time here.
Today's special is grilled tuna with onions and baked potatoes, all served with pepper.
Onions? Pepper? No, I think I'll pass. I'd like to have the menu, please.
Okay, sir. Here you are. I'll give you some minutes so you can check it.
All right. Thank you. Waiter! Waiter! I'm ready to order, please. Waiter!
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, I was serving other tables. Are you ready to order?
Don't worry. And yes, I want a salad to start, please, and also a glass of water.
Oh, okay. That's a healthy option. We have Caesar salad and chicken salad.
I don't know. I think I'll have the chicken salad. I like chicken.
All right, sir. And about the water, would you like it with ice or something?
No, no. Just water. I will start with that and then I'll ask you for more things, please.
Okay, sir. Give me just a couple of minutes and I'll be here with your order.
All right. Thank you. And hurry up, please. Because I'm too hungry.
Here's your water and also your salad, sir. I hope I didn't take so long for this.
Wow. No, that's perfect. You are really fast. Thank you very much.
Is there anything else I can get you, sir? We have excellent main dishes and desserts.
No, that's okay for the moment. This water is delicious. I was really thirsty. I think I will try the salad now. I just hope it is delicious. I'm trying to eat healthy these days. I have never tried such delicious carrots. They're really good. They're so good that I can eat them with my hands, so I can enjoy them better that way. Tomatoes are also good and the cucumber is delicious. Lettuce is also so fresh. I like it. But I don't think this may be enough for me. I think I'll ask for a main dish. But I'm on a diet, so I don't know what to ask for. I will ask the waiter about the menu again. Waiter! Waiter! Over here, please. I'd like to order.
Yes, sir. Is everything okay? Would you like to order anything else?
Yes, please. I'd like to order a hamburger and also a soda.
Sure. We have the double cheese hamburger and the veg hamburger.
About the veg hamburger. What does it have in it? I'd like to know.
Of course. The veg one has tomatoes, tofu, onions, and a little of cheese.
I have already eaten a lot of vegetables. And what about the double cheese?
Well, the double cheese has extra cheese, meat, bacon, fried eggs, onions, and tomatoes.
Wow! That sounds like a lot of fat in just one hamburger.
If you want, I can offer you a simple hamburger with only fried eggs, meat, and tomatoes.
Oh, that sounds much better. All right, I want the simple hamburger with a little mayonnaise.
Excellent. Can I recommend you our special drink instead of the soda you ordered?
And what does this special drink have? Because I've already drunk some water.
Well, it has pineapple juice, syrup, some sugar and delicious Peruvian pasco, sir.
Oh, I like Pasco, but I can't drink alcohol for the moment. I'm trying to follow a diet, you know.
Oh, then I can change the pasco for some soda. The flavor changes a little, but it is delicious anyway.
All right. That sounds good. I think that's great. Thank you very much.
Can I take the menu? Or perhaps you will still use it?
No, that's okay. Take it with you, please. And don't take so long because I'm still hungry.
Here you are, sir. Your cocktail and also your simple hamburger. Is everything okay?
Everything is perfect. I have already finished the burger and it was so delicious. I've never eaten something like that in my life. That's why people recommend this place. And also, did it have anything special? I felt something different from other burgers.
Oh, that must be our secret recipe. We are not allowed to say what it, sir. Sorry.
I see. Well, no problem. This drink is also amazing. Very sweet.
It is also a special recipe we have in our bar. We try to give the best to our customers.
Well, it is delicious. Can I have the check, please? I have already finished.
Sure. I have your check here. It will be $107.
Oh, okay. I will pay with my credit card, please. And add a nice tip for you.
Thank you very much, sir. I hope you have a great day and come back very soon.
Of course. I will be here every weekend. This is the best restaurant in the city.